Hello guys and welcome back in this new video. Today we are going to backtest a new trading strategy from Trade Prime, the only Bollinger Band strategies you will never need. I will backtest the second strategy it told in the video, so the one with reversal. I will backtest it on these forex pairs and on the 30-minute time frame. But before we start, I remember you that if you want to know more about my software, you want more info about it, or you want to backtest your strategy, write me at the email that I will leave in the description. But now, let's not waste any time and let's talk about this strategy. I will leave anyway the link of this video in the description so you can check it for the basic conditions. The condition, there is only one condition, it's very simple strategy and maybe it can be really profitable with only one condition, I don't know. So, let's see some trades that my software took. Let's start with this one on Euro USD. So, it was here. In order to open a short position, you have to check for at least some candles before the position is opened to be in the range between Bollinger Bands low and Bollinger Bands up. The settings of Bollinger Bands are the default one of TradingView. So I told my software to check at least for 15 candles, and in this case the condition is matched. And then you have to check that the last candle closes above the Bollinger Bands up, the Bollinger Bands up line. So here it happens, and then you can open a position, a short position. The stop loss is set to the last ATR, so close plus last ATR, and the risk to reward ratio is 1.5. And as you can see, this was a successful trade. Let's see another one. For example, this one on AUD USD. So it was here. As you can see, there are at least 15 candles that doesn't touch the two lines of Bollinger Bands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, and more. And then, as you can see, there is a candle that closes above the Bollinger Bands up. So we can open a short position, ATR set to the stop loss set to the ATR, so close plus ATR, multiplied by 1.5. Sorry, I didn't mention that. The ATR is multiplied by 1.5. And as you can see, in this case, it was a success again. Let's see a failed trade. In this case here, as you can see, we have at least 15 candles that didn't touch the two line of Bollinger Bands. Then a candle closes above the Bollinger Bands up and we can open a short position. In this case it was a fail, and yeah, that one was not a good trade. The conditions for long position are the opposite, so you have to check always for 15 candles that didn't touch the green and red line, and then you have to check that a candle closes below the green line. So we have seen some successful and not successful trades, and this strategy seems to be profitable. So let's see how it performs over the years from 2020 to 2023. As you can see, it doesn't perform very well. It has an average success rate of 40.16, so it is almost break even. As you can see, we would have been profitable without commission, but with commissions we would have lost many money, so that's not a good thing. And as you can see, this strategy is obviously not statistically profitable, because our lower bound of our confidence interval doesn't go past the average success rate to break even. So it's not such a good trading strategy, but let's not give up. Let's try with statistical analysis to improve the strategy. I have already downloaded all the trades that my software took, and let's try to see if we can improve the strategy. So First criteria. As you can see, this strategy seems more a bearish strategy rather than a bullish strategy. As you can see, there is a high difference between the two average success rate. But let's try with other criteria to improve the strategy. For today's video, I tried with RSI 14. So, what I have found? I have found that for long position, if you have checked for position that had the last RSI 14 greater than 50, the new average success rate would have been 64, very high, but with a number of trades of 17, so very low, that's not good. And for short position, if you have checked the last candle to have a RSI 14 below 50, the new average success rate would have been 57, but with only 28 trades, so that's not so good. But for the purpose of the video, I will add this condition in order to show you how people sometimes scam you on trading videos online. They only show few profitable trades, and what happened is that if you try it online, you only lose money. I didn't mention that, but for this video I also added the one of the most important feature of my software, the delayer. The delayer features allow the signal of opening a trade to be captured one or more candle later, providing sufficient time for the API to properly construct the candle data. What does it mean? Basically, you cannot open the position immediately. Sometimes your platform that you use for trading has slightly delays due to the fact that internet connection, building the candle. So you have also to take it into consideration. And for this video, with this feature, I'm telling my software to open the position only one candle after the signal is generated. In this way, I can, with a 30-minute interval time frame, I have a 30-minute of gap in which I can wait for the before to receive the candle, the correct candle. And this case, in this video, I added this feature. So let's not waste any time and let's add this condition to my software. So to check RSI both for long and short position. So now let's run again the strategy and let's see how it performs. Okay, as you can see, we have a high average success rate, 60%, probably the highest average success rate on this channel so far. Maybe we have found the holy grail of all trading strategies online. But as you can see, the average success rate is very the number of trades is very low. Yeah, the strategy in my software tells me that it's statistically profitable, but with such a lower number of trades, the Gaussian distribution is not the correct distribution. We should use another distribution with an higher variance. So don't take this into consideration. I have not already added this feature to switch between the distribution, but this info is not useful. It's useless for this video. But we have the highest average success rate on this channel. So let's try with the test dataset and let's see if this confidence interval is respected, and also if the average success rate is similar to the one we have now. So let's run again. Oh, as you can see, the average success rate now is 42. It's still the confidence interval we have found before, but it's not 60, and it's not even. It's very far from the one that we have found before. So as you can see, this is how many YouTubers on their channel tell you that I had 45 trades and the average success rate is really high. Yeah, it's really high, but the confidence interval tell us that the average success rate it's can be pretty away from the one you have found. So as you can see now on the test dataset, the average success rate it's not even it's very far from the one we found before. So in conclusion, I would say that this is not such a good trading strategy. We have surely overfitted the strategy, and it's not one of the best on this channel, surely. So I remember you that these are not financial advices. I'm not a financial advisor, and this video was only for entertainment purpose. Pay attention, Forex is very dangerous. So if you have enjoyed this content, I remind you to leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye!